Hi and welcome to another tutorial on Lilac Time Crochet. Today we are going to be making a hexagon. This is a granny hexagon. Really easy. I'm using Aran yarn in Starcraft Special DK and there's 4 colours. You can also make this in a double knitting yarn, just change your hook. For this tutorial I'll be using 4 colours of yarn. I'm using Starcraft Special Aran yarn and a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors and a needle. So let's get started. So we're going to start with the centre and we're going to make the centre flower. So choose your first colour of yarn. I'm using the mustard colour and just make a slip knot. Insert your hook. So you're going to chain 4. So yarn over your hook, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4. Join that chain 4 by inserting your hook into the first chain. Yarn over, pull the yarn through both loops, and that's going to make a ring. And we're going to crochet into that ring. So chain 3, that acts as your first treble. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to treble into that ring. So yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the ring, bring your yarn through, and there's 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Just push that round a little bit. Then chain 2, 1, 2. So now we're going to do another 2 trebles into the ring. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we're going to repeat that another 4 times. So chain 2, yarn over, 1 treble, 2 treble, chain 2, yarn over, 1 treble, 2 treble, some more yarn, 2 chain, 1 treble, 2 treble. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 2 chain, go back in and do the last 2 trebles, 1, 2, and the last 2 chain, 1, 2, and we're going to join this round by inserting our hook into the top of the chains that we did at the beginning of the round. So right in there, pull the yarn through, and we're going to cut off our yarn because we're going to be changing our colour. Pull through, yarn over, pull through, and pull that tight. There we go. So that's the first round done. I'm going to sew in the ends and we'll start the next round. Right, so my ends are all sewn in and I'm going to go into the next colour. So the next colour is the dark pink. I think they call this one pomegranate, and we're going to work into our second round. So grab your yarn and we're going to join into any of these 2 chain spaces. So insert your hook, yarn over your hook, pull it through, yarn over again, pull through, and we're going to do another 2 chain. So 1, 2. This acts as our first treble. Now we're going to do another treble. So yarn over, go into that chain space, That's 2, and now we're going to make the corner, so we're going to do 2 chain, 1, 2, then go back into that chain space where we've just been, so yarn over, 1, 2, and that's the start of the first corner. So we're going to go into the next, straight into the next chain, 2 chain space, yarn over with a treble and another treble, 2 chain, 1, 2, and again another 2 treble. We're going to repeat this in each of these chain spaces. 2 treble, so 1, 2, 2 chain, 2 treble, all in that 2 chain space, and again so carry on round, just doing the same 2 treble, 2 chain, 2 treble in each of these last chain spaces, and I'll meet you back here. Right, so we've got to the end and we've done our last corner, and we're going to close this round off by just inserting our hook into the top of the chain at the beginning that we made. So pull that through, cut your yarn and pull through, and that's round 2 done. So we're going to go on to round 3, which is the light pink, and we'll carry on making the hexagon a bit bigger. So grab your yarn and attach it in any of the corners. So yarn over, make a loop, secure your yarn and do another 2 chain. That acts as your first treble, and the same thing we're going to repeat as we did in the previous row. So 1 treble, 2 chain and another 2 treble, 1, 2, and now we've got an extra gap we need to cross over, so you need to do 2 treble into this space here. So 1, 2, then go straight into the corner, 1, 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, and 2 treble, 1, 2. So we're going to work into this space, so yarn over, 2 treble, 1, 2, and another corner, so go straight into the corner with 2 trebles, 1, 2, 2 chain, yarn over and 2 trebles, 1, 2, and again in this space 2 trebles, 1, 2, and back into the corner, 2 trebles, oh dear, back into the corner, 2 trebles, 1, 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, and 2 trebles, 1, oops, 2. Right, so carry on round, so you'll be doing 2 trebles into the middle space, and then 2 trebles, 2 chain, 2 trebles in each of these corner spaces, and I'll meet you back to close this round off. So we've done our last 2 chain in that space. So we're going to insert our yarn into the top chain of the beginning of the round and cut your yarn and pull through. Third round done. This is the last round. Round 4 is the edge. So grab your yarn. So insert your hook in any corner and secure your yarn. Chain 2, 1, 2, and like before we're going to do another treble. Chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to go back in there and make another 2 treble. So 1, oh dear. I'm going to go back in that chain space and make another treble, 2 treble. So yarn over, 1 and 2. I'll try and work over that long tail because I've made a bit of a long tail there. Right, so this is a bit bigger, so we're going to have 2 spaces. We're going to put 2 treble in. So yarn over, and in the next space we're going to do 2 treble, 1, 2, and in the next space 2 treble, 1, 2, and then we're back to our corner, so 2 treble, 1, 2, 2 chain and 2 treble, 1, 2, and we're going to work across again. So we're going to go into the next space and do 2 treble, 1, 2, and the next one, 1, 2, and we've got to the corner, so 2 treble, 1, 2, 2 chain and 2 treble, 1, 2. So you're going to repeat this all the way around, making 2 treble in each space, and in the corner 2 treble, 2 chain, 2 treble. Work your way around and I'll meet you back at the end. So we finished our last 2 treble. Insert your hook into the top of the chain at the beginning of the round, pull through and cut off your yarn and pull your yarn through, and you've made your first hexagon. In my next video I'll show you how to do the join as you go. That's linking all these hexagons together to make a blanket. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps my channel out. See you again soon. Bye.